So this is, it says there, ABC123A, A version. I have a B version, I will show you immediately. But first I will show you, this is the version that I had it before, yesterday, with a delay and a reset and all this stuff doing here for one line, and the same for the other lines, 7 lines. And let's actually send it to program. And let's see, let's wait. Yeah, you can see the flickering. This is 1 millisecond, it says there, and you see the interval. And now you remember that, so this is 1 millisecond here, it says there. And now let's switch to the other file, which is there, B. The second one I completely deleted that this reset function. I deleted completely from the code here. And what I did, instead of this loop, doing it for all the pins, this is what it's doing here. I manually put to input. I put them to output. I specified which one to be high and which one to be low. And then after a certain delay, I put them to as input. I got a critique that I should not put this delay. What is this delay for? And theoretically, if you leave it to minimum, is as if it's not there, or so if it's written as the smallest value as a delay is practically non-existent. Theoretically, practically is eating a couple of cycles, but not too much. And the same goes for every line, for 7 lines that I have here, line 7, and that's it. And here in the loop is this function called character A, and that's it. This is the new program, and this, let's send it. Let's click to send. This is the last one, and it's a bit faster, but still I can see the flickering. But now it's getting closer to a normal character. Unfortunately, it's not it's not good enough. I got very good results because there are too many LEDs, probably, and that's why it's still flickering. But I got the test one. Let me show you the test that I did, and I didn't prepare it. Actually, I have it well named here. Diagonal A and diagonal B. So these two programs. This is B, this is A, diagonal. All right, so let's send this guy. This is the old code that I use the reset function with the for loop, and upload it again. I send it to upload. Now it's at 1 millisecond. And you will see the flickering. You see, you can see the flickering. And in reality, it's pretty much as in the video right now. And now the B program, the one that I did the exact same thing as with the letter character A. I put the inputs manually inserted here in the back. Upload it, and now is very good result. Is perfect. There is a very slight shimmering. You cannot see it from the camera because it's blurring probably, but it's kind of shimmering very slightly, but it's vibrating. It's like a vibration, very, but it's not annoying. And it's pretty much as close to a normal, like a normal display. And this was a test line that I did here, and it's working perfectly. It is the same code as for the letter A, but here, because there are only 3 LEDs, it's functioning perfectly. But for the letter A, it's too much. It's too much. I'm thinking probably it's not that much power, and is drawing too much power. I should switch the older power supply, not this one. Now I have a dinky, that one, this little one here. You see? So it's a small one. And it's doing the job, but I don't know. I'm suspecting it not powering enough juice to the when too many LEDs are open on this board. Is my I should test it actually. I didn't test it yet, but yes, this is it for this. All this code is done. Everything I've shown you so far is done with Adafruit MCP23017 actually library for this chip. I have a lot of stuff that I did already. I'm not sure if I can cover it in one movie, but it's hardcore. It was hardcore, and it was extremely hard to do it, and it's not finished yet, and I don't have good results yet. I hope I will, but I am really not sure how it will. I have another library. So this is Adafruit library that I used so far, and it worked until here. It was helpful enough and easy to use. for this particular chip. But I downloaded another. I installed another from a German guy. What was his name? His name here. Ble Masle. Ble Maisel. I don't know how to pronounce it. So let's see. I have a here. Bertrand Lemasle, version 2 MCP library, or Blemasle, this guy. So yeah, on this guy is the code in this library is more closer to a microchip programming, and more closer to actually I have here. Let's see, to this simplified version that I made here. It's closer to this more intuitive, you know. This is another version, version 2 of the simplified one that I used actually in this code. But I made some progress with it, some stuff I could figure out, but some parts I cannot use them at all. I cannot lit certain LEDs, certain lines, certain rows, I suppose, but others I can. So it's incomplete, it's not finished. I could not map the finished library. The finished code to everything, to be able to cycle through every LED on the grid, pretty much, on that grid matrix, LED.matrix thing. Yes, this is it. Thank you very much, and see you later. Bye-bye.